RealWear Explorer Overview. RealWear Explorer is a desktop tool for both Windows PCs and Mac computers that mirrors the screen of your RealWear headset to your desktop. It offers a host of essential tools to make developing and training on the RealWear headset an easier experience. Today we will focus on the most used features, including screen sharing, screencasting, and remote input using your computer keyboard and mouse. First, download RealWear Explorer to your computer. The directions for downloading the application can be found on our knowledge base. See the video description for the link. Connect the RealWear device to a computer via the USB-C to USB cable. Launch RealWear Explorer. Once launched, RealWear Explorer appears in a single window application. If the device is set up correctly and powered on, RealWear Explorer will display your RealWear device screen on your desktop. Using RealWear Explorer allows you to mirror what's being displayed on the RealWear device. With this tool, you can control the device, use applications, and share what's on your RealWear screen with other people. Clicking on the screen allows you to control the device and navigate within the interface. For example, clicking on My Programs button has the same effect as speaking My Programs into the headset. You can scroll by clicking and dragging your desired location. The computer keyboard can be used to type text into fields on the device. This can be very useful when logging into accounts and entering a large amount of text. RealWear Explorer is a useful tool not only for the central screen display, but also for the additional options RealWear Explorer offers through the menu buttons. Pressing the home screen button will cause the RealWear device to return to the home screen. This is the same as speaking the Navigate Home voice command. Pressing Navigate Back will cause the RealWear device to go back one screen. Settings is a shortcut to launch the standard Android settings on the RealWear device. The Screenshot button captures the current screen of the RealWear device connected to the computer. Pressing Recent Apps will open the Recent Applications menu on the RealWear device, allowing you to switch between all the open applications. The gray buttons on the right side of the menu are additional tools specifically for Android application developers. We have resources on these tools in the knowledge base. RealWear Cast provides a faster way of mirroring the screen from your RealWear device and allows you to connect to your device wirelessly. To set up RealWear Cast, connect the device to the RealWear Explorer using a USB cable. If RealWear Cast isn't installed, RealWear Explorer will help you to install it. To install RealWear Cast, make sure your time and date are set correctly and that your device and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Select Connect using RealWear Cast. Accept any prompts on the device to allow RealWear Explorer to mirror the screen. RealWear Cast will begin streaming wirelessly automatically. It is now safe to disconnect the USB cable without interrupting the stream. RealWear Explorer will also remember your paired device. When RealWear Explorer is not connected to any device, the last 5 paired devices will be listed. Select the device you would like to view and RealWear Explorer will begin streaming. RealWear Explorer offers several tools to assist with your RealWear device. You can mirror the screen to share your device view, launch applications, enter passwords, and control the device from your computer. The shortcut buttons within Explorer make it easy to navigate and take a screenshot. For troubleshooting tips and more information on RealWear Explorer, visit our knowledge base.